watch me breaking.
Okay, we just arrived, Bella. Do you like this place?
Yeah.
I'm glad you're learning how to talk. Okay, our taxi is about to arrive soon. Just gotta wait. This house is much bigger compared to our old apartment. I'm so excited to walk in. Ooh, look at our house, Bella. It's so big and nice. I still got some boxes to arrange around the house. Some kitchen supplies are in there, bedroom supplies. But I'm gonna let you go take a nap, Bella. Your crib is all prepared, so yeah. Okay, this is my bedroom. I think your bedroom is next door, so let's go. I gotta go prepare your bottle for later, and I already fed you at the taxi, so I think you're okay. So let's just give you a nap real quick. Okay, there. Okay, so I'm just gonna order something since our fridge is empty. We're gonna grocery shop like later in the day when Bella wakes up. So for now, let me just order something online. Thank you. Have a great day. Oh great, our order has arrived. I'll place it here for now. Okay, so I got some drinks, some fries, and some fried chicken. Now I'm just gonna go throw this box away. Okay, since Bella's still asleep, I'm just gonna eat a little and I'll save some for her. And she loves fried chicken, so it's better to save it for her. I finished this whole drink. Okay, I'm gonna put the food in the fridge. The fridge is really empty. But it's a really big fridge to put all my stuff in. Okay, now I'm just gonna go and unbox some stuff. Okay, I think Bella's awake. I can hear her. So I'm just gonna go get her, feed her some milk, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store. Hi, Bella. Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, let me quickly just change you. There, you're all done, sweetie. Now let's go downstairs and I'm gonna feed you some milk. Okay, wait for your bottle here. Okay, so Bella's bottle and her milk formula is right here. Let me just move my phone. Okay, let's prepare it. There. Okay, it's okay. Now let me just put the formula away. Alright, enough playtime. It's time to get fed. Okay, she fell asleep. Now we're just gonna head out. I'm glad the grocery store is pretty close so I can just walk there, which is nice. Okay, so I'm gonna get flour. I won't buy too many things, just a little bit of stuff. Oil, some ketchup, pasta, cereal. Now let's go to the vegetable. Some lettuce, tomato, 2 apples. Because the both of us love fruits, so it would be better to get like apples and grapes. And now let's go to the other station. May I please take 1 bread and a pie? Of course, coming right up. Here's 1 pie and here's your bread. Thank you. Anytime. Have a great day. And I'm just gonna start paying. Thank you, miss. Have a great day. You too. Let's go home now. Okay, we finally arrived. And I'm gonna go and put the food in the fridge. And I'll let Bella sleep for now. Gonna just place this over here. Okay, so first let's get the cereal and the oil. Okay, so the oil will go over here. The cereal can go over here. The flour will be going over here. The bread will be going over here. And the ketchup will going over at the top. Okay, finally done. Now I'm just gonna go and take a nap myself because I'm feeling really tired. But first, let me make a quick phone call. I was with one of my friends back home, and in this new town, I'm actually really liking it, enjoying it, and I can't wait to spend my whole life in here basically. But maybe I'll visit my hometown like next time or something because I really have to visit my parents, my siblings, and everything. Yeah, I'm really liking this new town, and as an 18-year-old mom, it's a bit hard, but it's really nice. I'm liking it really much. My 1-year-old daughter is really calm. She sleeps a lot mostly, so I have all my free time to go to my online classes, and I'm gonna start soon my online classes. And yeah, but I'm gonna need to buy some new furnitures around the house. It's a good house compared to my old apartment, which was really small. And yeah, I'm liking the new town here and everything, so yeah. Okay, now I'm just gonna go and take my nap, but first let me just take off my clothes and everything, so yeah, let's go.
Just watch me break